Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the customer service field, but it is doing those online chats through text and written word and not having to be on the phone. Of course, the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Whisker. Now, they only have 36 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.2 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer experience chat specialist. Now, this is fully remote for my United States folks only. Whisker used to be known as Auto Pets. They make all of those as seen on TV products like the Litter Robot, Feeder Robot, and Litterbox.com. So they believe in pet parenthood can always get better, so they're always making all kinds of pet products for sale. Now, one thing to note about this chat job, it is going to be more of an off shift, second shift. The shift for this role will be Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside of the Eastern Standard Time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to those hours to see if it works for you. But they're basically looking for somebody to just provide a top-notch customer service to their customers utilizing knowledge of products, processes, and commonly used customer service concepts. The chat specialist communicates with the customers via internet-based chat technologies. So you'll be using the chat to provide customer service solutions or product information. You'll manage inbound chats and customer communication outlined in the KPIs. You'll specialize in helping assist customers troubleshoot specifically the Litter Robot and the Feeder Robot. So when they're having technical issues, you'll offer customers technical support with the mobile app, including onboarding and connectivity concerns. You'll be responsible for multiple chats going at the same time, maintaining an average response time of 40 seconds. So you definitely need to be a multitasker. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position, just a high school diploma. They do want somebody who has 3 years of customer service experience with 2 years of some kind of help desk or chat customer service experience with data entry or order entry, great written and verbal communication skills, the ability to respond to communication in a timely manner, and you must be a multitasker. Now, unfortunately, they did not list a pay for this position. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview, but they do offer a benefit package, and part of that says top of the line equipment. So it looks like they're going to provide all the equipment for you that you need. They also offer standard medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, because I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.